Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohamad Kamal Arif bin Muhammad Ridzuan. My metric number is CF190018, which is in section 2. I'm here will present about introduction and methodology for our group project. Traffic congestion in Malaysia has a long history dating back to the early days of urbanization and modernization in the country. The rapid economic development and population growth in recent decades have only exacerbated the problem, leading to increased traffic on the roads and highways. In the past, traffic congestion in Malaysia city was primarily caused by a lack of proper planning and infrastructure, the inadequate road network, lacks of public transportation options, and poorly designed traffic signal and intersection all contributed to the problem. The government has taken steps to address the problem of traffic congestion in Malaysia, such as the construction of new roads and highways, the implementation of public transportation projects such as the light rail transit (LRT) and mass rapid transit (MRT) system, and the introduction of new traffic management strategy such as congestion pricing. However, traffic congestion remain a significant problem in many cities in Malaysia, particularly during peak hours. Traffic congestion remained a common problem in many cities in Malaysia, particularly during peak hours. Some of the main factors contributing to this problem include lack of public transportation option and also a poorly designed traffic signal intersection, lack of enforcement of traffic laws, rapid urbanization and population growth in many cities, and also lack of proper planning. Last one is a lack of integration between different transportation modes, which is many cities in Malaysia lacks integration between different transportation modes such as bus, trains, bicycle, which can make it difficult for people to move around efficiently and contribute to traffic congestion. Next is our methodology, which is signalized intersection are used to improve traffic flow, safety, and mobility for all road users. They can be used to reduce congestion and delays, increase the capacity of the intersection, and improve the safety of pedestrians and bicyclists. They are an important tool for transportation engineers and planners to manage the traffic flow in urban areas and to improve the overall equality of life for residents. The data that we collected will be analyzed to determine the level of service, which is LOS. LOS. It is a way to quantify the performance of facility and to assess the degree of to which it meets the needs of the user. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. We'll explain about the data analysis for the project, and for the location we collect the data is at Federal Highway FT050 Jalan Keluar at traffic light Parit Raja Batu Pahat. And for the data collection we collect for 1 hour, which is interval every 15 minutes, and we collect based on the vehicle class. It is class 1 for the motorcycle, class 2 is for car, and class 3 van and medium truck, and class 4 heavy truck and bus. This is the example for the data we have collect at the signalized intersection. For the approach is we collect from north to south and north to east, north to west, and south to north, south to west, south to east, east to west, east to south, and east to north, west to east, west to north, and lastly west to south. From the data we collect the traffic volume at the intersection and the PCU at the intersection. We get the total for class 1 until class 4, and from the data we calculate the LOS for the signalized intersection. That's all from me. Thank you.
The table shows the delays and LOS value for three phases of intersection. From the table, we can see that the highest delays occur at west to north lane with D value of 23.43. However, the overall level of service LOS at the signalized intersection of Federal Highway FT40503 Jalan Keluang is C, which indicate a stable flow. As a result, no changes should be made because the current timing designed for this intersection is adequate for traffic control.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Mohamad FAHMIUDIN and we will continue to the discussion. And from the finding, we show that as an intersection falls into class C LOS and showed as a steady flow and not needed any change of the traffic light. And secondly, the data indicates that the number of car vehicle are the highest, followed by class 1 motorcycle, class 3 van and medium truck, and class 4 heavy truck and bus. And so we can see the heavy vehicle highly influenced the LOS. And there are also a lot of pedestrian crossing because it is both close to industry and residential area. To conclude our study, due to the lack of the accident or traffic congestion during rush hour, it can alternatively be categorized as a route with a continuous flow. This study shows how signalized intersection can support directional flow and the signal control to boost capacity and decrease delays by allowing for a smoother traffic flow. The intersection must be upgraded by lowering collision rate. A good intersection can improve pedestrian safety.